What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Lucky the Leprechaun from Lucky Charms. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we start on the left side, starting from the top of that circle, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle, and bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a highlight on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, draw a small circle coming in and back out. Line this up on the right. And then we'll draw another circle in the center of the eye for the pupil. Let's start underneath the highlight, come all the way around, and back in behind that highlight. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's add those large, thick eyebrows on top of the eyes. We're going to start on the outside. I'm just going to curve this up and then down on the inside. Let's line this up on the right, going up and then down. And then we'll go back to the inside, curve the eyebrow going up and then out. And then we'll taper that back in to create a point. Let's add another point. We're going to curve this up and then down along the side. And then again, we'll just add another point coming in. And we'll curve the eyebrow going out and then down towards the outside. Let's move back to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start by lining up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center, start on the left side. We're going to curve the nose coming down and then up. Step up and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move down and draw on the top edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, curve the mouth, coming down and then up. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Starting on the left, curve out and then down. Now I'm going to go back to the side and draw on the bottom of the mouth. Starting on the left, come down, round up the mouth, and then go back up on the right. And I'll add the top row of teeth. Stepping down, just follow that same curve, going across. And then along the bottom, we'll add the edge of the tongue, going up and then down. And they'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's go in between the eyebrows and draw the bottom edge of the hat. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. And we'll curve the hat coming out from the side of the eyebrow. Starting on the left, curve out, and then down. Let's connect the side of the head with a curve coming down underneath the mouth. We'll start on the left, and round this out, come in towards the middle, and go out, and bend that up on the right. Let's stick the ears along the side of the head. Starting back on the left, curve up, down, and then in. Let's add the folds inside the ear. From the top, step down, curve up and out, go back to the inside, go out, and then hook that in. Let's add some hair coming down along the side of the head. Starting on the left, curve in and then down. Just taper that back up and out with a short line. We'll add one more point, coming in and then down, and go up and out towards the side of the head. Let's add some hair coming down in the middle. Starting back on the left, come down and in, taper that back up. Let's add one more point, coming down and across towards the right, and pull that up underneath the hat. Now we're going to draw the outside edge of the hat brim. Let's start above the left eyebrow, curve down, then up on the right. I'm just going to round this out, come down and in on top of the ear. So we'll start with the left. Rounding this out, coming down, and then bending that in. Let's draw a large half circle for the top of the hat. We start on the left side of the brim, curve up and in towards the middle. Going to round up the hat and then come back down on the right side. And then we'll add a band going across. On the left side, step up, curve up in the middle, and then back down on the right. Let's add a simple 4-leaf clover on the right side. Starting from the top, we're going to draw a half circle, going up and then down. We're going to go out towards the side, going in and then out, and then in, and then we'll draw on the bottom, coming down and then up. Let's add a small plus symbol in the center. Go to the bottom left, curve in and then down in behind the hat brim. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the scarf. We're going to start over on the left side, curve down, and then bend that back up on the right. Let's draw on the side of the body. Starting over on the left, curve the body going out and then down. And do the same thing on the right. Now when you go back up to the middle and draw the inside edge of the jacket, give me a gap in the center, go to the left, come down, then bend that out. And then from the inside of the jacket, we'll draw the collar, going up and out underneath the scarf. Let's draw on the bottom of the shirt, starting over on the left, come down and then up. Now in the middle, we step down and draw a curve, going up and down in between the legs. Then leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up on both sides. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. And curve up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the outside of the leg. From the bottom corner of the jacket, step in, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to move back up to the top of the foot and add the buckle. Starting up here, curve in and then down. Angle up and in towards the top of the foot. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the spoon. Starting from the top of the scarf, curve the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist, and it will curl around the thumb. We're going to go up, then the thumb coming down, round up the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. And we'll curl 3 fingers around the spoon. Starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, step down, draw that again, pull that up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to layer the spoon in behind the hand. Let's start from the very top with 2 straight lines side by side. Connect the top with an oval. We go out toward the left, round up the top, and come in on the right side. Let's line up the side of the spoon underneath the hand, coming down with 2 straight lines, and we'll close off the bottom with a curve. And now we're going to go back up to the wrist and draw the edge of the sleeve. We're going to come down, round this out, and go out in behind the spoon, step back, curve the arm, come in and up in behind the body. Let's move over towards the right and draw a large pot of gold on top of the right arm. We're going to start with the top edge. Starting from the inside, curve down, and then bend that up. Let's go back to the inside, curve up, and then down. Just going to repeat this pattern, going across the top, and just bring that back down on the right side. And then we'll wrap the edge of the pot in behind the gold. On the left, step up, curve in, and then back out, go to the outside, come out, and then hook that back in. And then we'll draw the inside edge of the pot. Starting on the left, come in towards the body, just pull that out about halfway. And that's going to overlap 3 fingers. Starting from here, we draw an oval, going around, and back down, and down towards the bottom. Add the second finger, and we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to go over towards the right side, curve out, and then back in towards the right side of the hand. I'm going to go back up to the top of the scarf, curve the arm coming down and then out, line up the inside of the arm, come down and out in behind the pot. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the scarf coming down in between the arm and body. Let's start at the bottom, come down and out, flatten off the end, and we'll follow that same curve going in behind the leg. Then we'll add the tassels along the bottom. Stepping up, draw another straight angle line. Then we'll add some texture along the inside. These straight angle lines going all the way in. And that's pretty much it. There's Lucky the Leprechaun from Lucky Charms. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.